Hello, my beautiful people. How on a day? It's been a very long time. Apologies for not posting all this while. I want to let you know that your boy is back. Without wasting much of your time, as usual, pick up your bass, pick up your headphones, and let's learn these two Makosa grooves.
Yeah, my God is good. When I think about the things you do for me, God is good. My God is good. My God is good. I cannot do nothing leaving you. My God is good. Now you bless me. Now you do me this one.
So these are the notes for the first bass line. Okay, the first part we have mi fa fi so fa mi re do. Okay, let me take it slow. Mi fa fi so fa mi re do. Okay, then for the number we have 3 4, then 4 sharp. 4 sharp is the minor note there. Fi, then so your 5, then you go back. Fa mi re do, mi fa fi so fa mi re do. 3 4, 4 sharp 5, then 4 3 2 1. All right, then the bass line now. La mi mi fa do so re re fa do. La mi mi fa do so re re fa do. La mi mi fa do so re re fa do. Don't forget to add the slide. Mm? Add the slides, okay, on each of the notes. For the number we have 633, 633. Then 4 1, we have 5 2 2, then 4 1. Okay, don't forget to add the slides to make it more groovy. Okay, so without wasting much of our time, let's go to the second bass line.
Yeah, my God is good. When I think about the things you do for me, God is good. My God is good. My God is good.
All right, so for the second bass line, you play the first syncopation. Mi fa fi so fa mi re do. Okay, so these are the notes. La mi la la do fa so re so so do fa. La mi la la do fa so re so so do fa. La mi la la do fa so re so so do fa. This time around, I'm actually playing the octaves of your re. The first bass line was using the higher octave. Okay, so this time around, I'm using the lower octave. Then la mi la la do fa so re so so do fa. Okay, for the number we have 6 3 6 6, then 1 4, then we have 5 2 5 5 1 4. Okay, so don't forget I was adding dead notes, or is it ghost notes? Okay, so you can actually add that to it to make it more groovy and more percussive. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget please to hit the like button, leave a comment, and also share this video with your friends. I will see you very, very soon, and stay safe and God bless you.